Hi guys! Welcome back to Bonna's Kitchen. Today, we will make chocolate chip cookies based on the famous cookies from New York. Let's get baking! We will need 2 unwanted cups of plain flour, half cup of unsalted butter at room temperature, half cup of white sugar, half cup of light brown sugar, 300 grams of dark chocolate chips, 1 large egg, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, half teaspoon of baking soda, and half teaspoon of salt. For the full list of ingredients, check out the description below. In a medium bowl, add the butter, then add the white sugar, and the light brown sugar, and using a hand mixer, cream them together. Scrape the sides of the bowl. Add the egg, vanilla extract, and beat them together. Add the flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. And mix them together until well incorporated. Occasionally scrape the sides of the bowl. Now, fold in the dark chocolate chips. You can also mix them using your hand mixer on a low setting. If you have stand mixer, it's easier to use the stand mixer with this one. Divide the dough into 8 portions and weigh them about 120 grams each. Shape the dough into a ball, just like this. Transfer it in a baking tray lined with parchment paper. After shaping the cookie dough into balls, chill it in the fridge for at least 1 hour. And if you don't like to bake them right away, you can just freeze it for later use. After chilling in the fridge for 1 hour, arrange the dough 4 pieces per baking tray and make sure that you leave enough space between them. And bake this in a preheated oven of 170 degrees Celsius for about 12 to 14 minutes. Once baked, let it cool on the tray for at least 30 minutes. By the way, if you like your cookie a bit flat, just flatten the dough a bit before baking. And here's our finished product! These cookies are giant, gooey, and are absolutely delicious. They are best eaten on the day of baking, but they can be revived by microwaving them for about 15 to 30 seconds or putting them in a hot oven for about 2 to 3 minutes. But they don't usually last for a day anyway. This is what it looks like inside. Look at that! So chocolatey. This is by far the best chocolate chip cookie recipe I've tried. I hope you're going to try this recipe. If you like this recipe, don't forget to give me a like. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!